create swipe text effect in Capcut. In this video, I will show you how can you easily create the swipe text effect in Capcut. So without any delay, let's get started. For that, firstly open your Capcut and then choose the video where you want to add the swipe text effect. After you open the video, what you need to do is click on the text option. Once you click on text option, click on add text. Now you will see the option to write your text. For this video, maybe I'll write beautiful and add some emojis in it. After you are done writing your text, add style to it if you want. Now to give it a swipe effect, what you need to do is click on the text and click on style. There you will see the option of editing it. I am choosing the option of yellow, pink, you can choose any color you want. And to give it a swipe effect, you need to click on animation option. There might be some problem with the server of Capcut. If you are facing the same problem, you are suggested to restart your device or update your Capcut application. And then you will see the option of animation in it. And in animation, you will see the option of in, out and combine. From all these three options, you can choose any one and add the swipe effect for your text. And that's all. That is how easily you can create the swipe text effect in Capcut. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.